Hey, it's Gary McCoy, Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. That's where you need to head right now if you're in the market for a brand new Ranger. And I want to talk to you this afternoon about these brand new Ranger. These are demo boats. These are all 520Ls. We're talking about a 20-foot Ranger boat, totally tricked out. Minn Kota trolling motors, 112 foot-pounds of thrust on these. Beautiful tandem axle trailers, rigged out. There's 4 of them now. All have 250s. If you'll notice, 3 of these have the big Evinrude 4-stroke 250s on the back. One of them is tricked out with a Yamaha 250. All are equipped with power poles, everything that you could imagine electronics-wise from Lowrance, everything that you could imagine as far as what you'd need to be able to tournament fish. And these are essentially brand new. We're talking about if you came in right now to buy this boat, brand new, about $85,000. But because it's a demo, and let me explain that. The pro staff here at Bayou Outdoors has been using this boat for the last year. Traditionally speaking, they're fishing a tournament a weekend, maybe putting 3 or 4 hours a week on these. They're going to have less than 50 hours on them, some of them as little as 20 hours on them, but you're going to save from $6,000 to $10,000 on the purchase price of this. Again, we're talking about an $85,000 boat. You knock 6 to 8 off, and it's never been registered. The warranties will start the day you purchase it. It's a really great opportunity for you to get a really great deal on a beautiful Ranger boat. Swing away trailer, I mean the whole 9 yards. This is what you want, and this is the best way to get it. These great demo boats here at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. Come talk to Ben, Bubba, one of the guys here. They'd be glad to help you out. 4306 East Texas in Bossier City. It's Bayou Outdoor Supercenter.